Well, hello, fabulous Richland School District teachers. This is Michelle Fickle, your kindergarten through second grade instructional coach, classroom support teacher. I'm going to take a couple of minutes today to walk you through how to add icons to either your Launchpad or to your student's Launchpad. The procedure is the same for both. Since I'm working mostly with kindergarten through second grade teachers and students, I would recommend that the teacher is the one who installs the icons that you want your students to have access to. In the older grades, you can show your students how to do this, and then they can take ownership of their Launchpad. But at kindergarten through second grade, we kind of want to have a little bit of control over which icons appear and disappear, if that makes sense. So we're going to start. I'm actually just going to add some icons to my own ClassLink account. Like I said, it's the same procedure for your students' accounts. So if you want to put some links on your student's account, you'll need to log in as the student with their network ID and your school specific password. For me, or for teachers, this is your network password and your network ID. If this space right here says code, you will need to enter RSD as your code so that you can access your ClassLink from any computer. So we'll go ahead and sign in. And this will take me to my personal Launchpad. So the first thing that we need to do is go up to this plus sign up here that says App Library. This is where all of your platforms will be, where you can search up the platforms, or if you have a web address that you want to create a link to on your Launchpad, you will copy and paste the web address and put it in here. So what we're going to do first is I need to find let's go to Book Creator. I'll go to my Book Creator, and I already have an account in Book Creator. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click Sign In. Now you can, when you sign into Book Creator or some of the other platforms for the first time, and you want to create a new account, if you log in with your Google account, so you sign in with Google instead of just creating a username and password, then what'll happen is when you create a link in your Launchpad, if you've already logged into your account, your Launchpad link will take you automatically into your account with Book Creator, which is kind of a handy little tool, especially if you're working with students. You don't want them to have to log into their platforms every time they go in. So once you log in with your Google account and you save that information, it'll go straight there. So what I'm going to do is highlight my address bar here in Book Creator. This is my personal Book Creator. I'm going to highlight that address and copy. You can use Control C or left or right click and copy. And then what I'll do here is click on the plus for App Library. I want to add my own app. There are some in here you can search here and find your own. That's a great way to do it. I prefer to do this just because I have a little bit more control. So I'm going to title this app Book Creator. And then I'm going to paste the web address. This is the one that I took from this other window. Now down here you can select the icon or change the icon. If you want to leave it as that, that's fine. But it's sometimes nice to find an icon that actually matches the platform that you're trying to create a link for. So I'm going to type in book and see if I can find something that goes with my Book Creator. And right here I see that Book Creator actually has a little icon, so I'm going to select that one. If it didn't, then other icons, I could choose this books icon and use that instead, but I'm going to use the actual Book Creator icon. And then I'll click Save. And it says app was added successfully. So that way I know that on my Launchpad, I have a link to Book Creator. So I'm going to close this tab here and show you what happens when I click on my Book Creator icon. Here we have my Book Creator account. So that's kind of handy. Now, I do want to show you what will happen if you choose a website that you have not logged into. So let's choose Canva, and I may already be logged in. Nope, I'm not. So here I have not logged into Canva yet. So what happens then is I will copy the, oops, not just the .com, that won't be helpful. Copy the web address, and I go back here, click the plus to add to my library, click on add my own app. This one is called Canva, and I paste the web address, change the icon, here it is, and click save. Now if I close out of this, I'll show you on my, here's my Launchpad again. If I click on Canva, it will take me to the Canva website. Then what you want to have your students do, or you can do for them, is you can log in with Google. And since I've already done that, it already knows I want to use my Richland School District address for my Canva account. There should be a pop-up window that asks you which Google account you want to log in with, and you can log in with that account. And ta-da, you're set and ready to go. So that was just a quick quick tutorial on how to customize your Launchpad.